case, but we can't go any further because we need to be authorized. Now, if you look very quickly inside there is a guy, but we've got 10 people. Those are the Swiss guards, and guys, the Swiss guards are here just at the top. Now, this way.
Difficilement, c'est pas grave. Même lui, il fait ça pour rien.
Habla castellano. ¿Te interesa una visita? Okay, we were talking about the Swiss guards, right? Keep in mind that the Swiss guards are here just to protect the pond, no one else. So at the moment there are 130 guys, and let's say, if the pond is going to be on holiday, where are those guys going to be?
With him?
Yes, exactly. So they have to stay here because they need to protect this area, guys. We need to keep protecting this area. Now, they are only between 19 and 30 years old. They need to be from Switzerland because they are called the Swiss guards, so they need to be from Switzerland. And they are so good and fluent in so many different languages. But once they get here, they need to start learning Italian. Now guys, you saw them, they were wearing the blue uniforms, but I can tell you that's very rare. Usually you will find them on the other side wearing some colorful uniforms. The colorful ones are the gala ones. Those guys usually use the blue ones every day, but just for, it's called the duty uniform basically. Now, we are waiting here, but it's going to be quicker than you think. And really soon we'll be somewhere else, guys. Not in Italy anymore. Now, guys, is it your first time forever? Okay. If today I'm going to ask you questions, that means that you